When Jennifer and I purchased this house, this was the only outdoor spigot that was available, and it wasn't working all that great. I had to keep loosening the gland nut and fiddling with it to get water out of it. When we had the house hooked up for sewer and town water and doing some other plumbing, I had these fellows put in this outdoor spigot, which lets Jennifer access water and for her front gardens here and a couple of other things. Because that spigot is so far away from our backyard, I decided to take on a new experience and install my own outdoor spigot here. And that's going to help us with some of our watering of our, this is Jennifer's temporary planting table. It'll help us get going until we make a decision how we're going to handle big watering needs down in the back there. So utilizing PEX style piping and clamps and tubing cutter, and also a ratcheting clamp wrench, I guess you'd call it, and other fittings, I installed two valves here which kind of zones off the house, and then I attached this line here via T, and that's what runs outside to the new spigot. So that's a new experience for me. I've never worked with this material before, and I had success.